In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the ID of a record, such as an account, in Salesforce. This process is straightforward, whether you're using Salesforce Lightning or Classic. So let's dive in and unravel this simple yet crucial step, because knowing how to locate record IDs is vital for navigating Salesforce and conducting various tasks. First things first, you need to log into Salesforce. If you're not already familiar, Salesforce is a powerful customer relationship management, or CRM, platform that's widely used across the globe. It helps businesses with everything from sales to customer service. Once you're logged in, your next step is to open the record you're interested in, such as an account. Head to the Accounts tab in Salesforce to access the full list of accounts that you have permission to view. Click on the specific account you're focused on, and it will open up that particular record. Now, here's where the magic happens. As you open the record, cast your eyes to the URL in your browser's address bar. You're looking for a specific section of this URL. It should resemble something like this: https lightningforce.com. So what we're actually interested in is the part that comes immediately after your domain name. That's where you'll find your record's ID. To illustrate, say you see a URL such as https lightning.force.com.2fs bcdqag. Right there at the end, that string of letters and numbers, specifically 00012 to A, B, C, D, E, Q, A, G, represents the account's ID. Really, it's that simple. Once you've found the right part of the URL, you have your record's ID at your fingertips. Now, a notable point to remember is that record IDs in Salesforce appear in two forms. First, you have a 15-character version, which is case-sensitive, and then there's an 18-character version, which is not case-sensitive and is typically used in exports and APIs. Understanding this distinction is essential, especially if you're working with larger datasets or integrating Salesforce with other systems. And here's a little tip for those who might prefer an alternative method to find multiple record IDs more efficiently. You can create a report in Salesforce for the relevant object. While setting up your report, be sure to add the ID field. Once you run or export this report, you'll conveniently acquire the IDs for multiple records all at once, saving you precious time and effort. So, in summary, finding a record ID in Salesforce just takes a bit of practice looking at URLs and knowing where to find it in your browser. Whether you're examining accounts or any other type of record, you'll be well equipped to find that essential ID. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I hope this guide helps make your Salesforce experience a smoother ride.